about 100 songs from Africa. About 90 of them can be played using chord 145. So why don't we spend time on that? Apart from that, many hit songs use very simple chords. If you have ever listened to Harry Belafonte's Island in the Sun, one of my favorites, and Jamaica Farewell, I like it. The chords are simple and everyone loves it.
When the nights are gay, when the sun shines daily on the mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I had to say, I'm on my way. I won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I have to leave a little girl in Kingston town. I'm sad to say, I'm on my way. I won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I have to leave a little girl in Kingston town.
I'm not going to teach you many, but I'm going to teach you just one solo and explain the others practically to you. I'll be showing you a neck diagram. Take your time. This is just one simple song. But hey, when I finish, I'll show you other ways you can improvise in this song. The chords are, if I capo at the second fret position, I'll be using C. If I'm thinking in C, it will be C, F, J, C. But I'm in D because of the capo. So it's D, J, A, D, chord 145. Try to learn chord 145 in every key and learn specific solos on them. Beautiful. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, fa. You play the same thing again, but when you are ending, you end on. Then the fingering. The beauty of this is when you learn this one, you can transfer it onto other beautiful songs and use it. So this is how you can improvise on a simple chord 145 like this. very interesting one. I chose this one because I would also want to help the intermediate students a little. Yes, you know your major scales, and one thing I should advise you about is learn the major scales in every shape of the case system. That's the first thing. The second thing is try to develop your own lines, certain lines. This is how you should do it. For instance, this is the chord for this one is 1, D, J, A. This is a simple chord 1-4-5 progression. So you usually have to land on a safer note. And what is a safer note? Landing on a note which forms part of the chord or the quadratone is safe. I can move all over the board. I can play any scale. But hey, I would want to come home, land on a quadrat note. If you take a D for instance, Mi, So, Do. So once you are on the first chord, then I should land on Mi, So, Do. If they move to chord 4, then I have to Fa, La, Do. I have to land on Fa, La, Do. When they move to chord 6, then I should obviously know I'm landing on So, Ti, Re. That is the best way for a beginner like me. So I'm going to create some few interesting lines for you. For instance, in this shape. They are on a 5, on 5. You get the idea, right? Nice. For the first scale I should think about is my major scale. So I should think of all the possible spaces I can play my major scale within the case system. I know my Do, Re, Fa, Sol within the 7th and then the 10th fret position. Do, Re, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, La, Fa, La, Si, Do, Mi, Do, Do. Very simple solo, right? Then you learn simple ways of ending your solos. Re, Do, Re, Do. We can go this way. Sometimes you could add some chromatic scales in between them. But think of the major scale, and the major scale around here. So simple, right? Or you can develop some other ideas too. Hum some melody in your mind and put it on the board. You start as a beginner, start slowly. So first take your first 4 notes. If you, for instance, da 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 da, come on. I want to sing. It is solos. And I'm adding some few notes. If you want to develop it a little further, arpegiate with this. So I play reverbiso, then I play the arpeggio for the next chord. Do, la, fa, re, ti, so. That's all. So listen to it. My name is Pastor Georgespratz, also known as Georgespratz. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, do it. And if you are looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson, online guitar lesson, please pick the numbers on the screen and call me. We have a lot of people doing it. I have my email address down in the description. You can look for it and then email me. I will reply you the moment I see it. So after you've mastered all these basic ones, I'm going to challenge you to do this one.